In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse the order of multiple animations in PowerPoint. If you've ever set up a sequence of animations and then realized you want the exact opposite order, you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. Instead, we'll use the animation pane to quickly flip the sequence and make sure everything still behaves the way you expect. Start by opening the animation pane. Go to the Animations tab at the top of PowerPoint, then click Animation Pane. A panel will appear on the right showing all the effects on your current slide. This list runs from top to bottom, which represents the order in which animations will play. You'll also see numbers next to each item that match the little tags on your slide, so it's easy to match what's listed with what's on the canvas. Next, select the animations you want to reverse. Click the first animation in the range, then hold Shift, and click the last one you want included. That selects everything between the two in one move. This is important because we want to reorder them as a group, not one by one. Now, reverse the sequence by manually reordering. With the selection highlighted, click and drag the group up or down in the animation pane until the items appear in the opposite order. Watch the numbers update as you move them, which confirms the new sequence. If dragging feels imprecise, you can also right-click any selected animation and choose Move Earlier or Move Later. Repeating those commands nudges the selection up or down until you've flipped the order. After reordering, double-check the Start options so the timing still makes sense. In the Animations tab, look at Start, on-click, with Previous, or After Previous. On-click means you'll trigger it during the slideshow with a click. With Previous, starts at the same time as the item before it. After Previous waits for the prior one to finish. Because you've reversed the order, the dependency chain may have changed, so confirm that the new sequence still fits your intent. Finally, preview the slide. Go to Slideshow and choose from Current Slide. Watch the animations play through to confirm the reversed order and the timing of each effect. If anything feels off, exit the slideshow, return to the animation pane, and make any small tweaks to order or start settings until it's perfect. That's it. You've reversed multiple animations quickly and cleanly while keeping full control over timing and playback.